No, great. In a few minutes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. No, sorry for that. I see, man. Guys, you know, then go for mashamba. I'm telling you, after it's one of the cheap. Now vlog is good, but we just all over the place. Rukobona abantu baswa, rukobona ruspato ziswa, bakoma nadzikaradzi, taxi ya dipa banabashi. Taxi dipa badi. Nzimwadi. You hear stories. What must I be about but they were talking. So yeah, another thing for another time. We keep on moving. Aluta continua. Them online. Still on the journey, brother. Here. Dona mana wana namfuma kazi ya nepa shitensi keshi. Nanu kubusa mitengo hapa. Dobusa na mkosi mitengo ya shitensi rudi kugai. So it seems like goma 250 boys. Vender nis na shitensi nodoro hiyo, you know. Yeah, vender nis na shitensi nodoro tachirerwa mpana wanga, you know. Ero kaduwa na shitensi cha 250 ini nichi nwa bia za 2000 rand nga Friday. Woni no wani chemto. You know, the serious bad. So I don't consider Mavuba and Baba. Mashamba straight. You could see my signage there. Nza kontumezori up and the guy na drive and the hands. Ariama shamba kani out. I'm telling you. Nabe ndo hapa? Yeah. Oh, ni sambi. Oh, no. Oh, but wako cool. Ndo livuwa badi yake. Roba dera mara mse. Yeah. And the arva mfanon. Ndo livuwa. That's my ride. That's my ride is going. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Driver is so cool. Bye bye, man. We love you. What's up, Facebook and YouTube family? Hope you're doing great. Master G, your son of the soil. We are on fire. Always on the road trying to search who is who and where they are. I'm with my crew member here. We are vlogging for now. We are not a big camera. We are using our gadgets to make things live. We've been walking, man. We've been walking. Amashamba. So we are on the road as you can see, it's all gravel road with me and my boy here, and we're just having fun. So it's been a journey from a taxi to a taxi. We're rolling. Makuru locha govuan makuru anga wako bika kwasha dodala. There they are. They're from Fetching the Woods, my brother. You see them? Is it? Oh, he said we should turn here. No. Let's find our way into this land. Oh, it's a hill here. We have to jump. Oh, man, I'm still strong. Oh, I'm still strong. Hello, Sudani. No voix. What's your name? Marisa Komo. Oh, okay. We are anyway na Marisa Komo. Alright, man. Okay, sharp. Love you. They can't say I love you too. I need to start teaching them. What English? I mean, Amashamba. Amashamba is a beautiful land. You believe me? I'm gonna be launching my drone in a couple of minutes time, and then this is where we're gonna see the whole geographical area. And she's hustling, my face. She's trying her level best, and this is what we call hustle. That's what life is all about. You keep trying, you keep making it, keep failing, you keep falling, you keep rising. You are a star at the end of the day. So basically that's what we're doing. It's a vlog. We're happy, we're tired. Look at that vision line up there. Life is great here. Awesome stuff. Oh yes, Lord. Hello. Hey Danny. Yeah, man. I'm going to the guy. It seems like we've arrived. Finally, I'm here.